and welcome back to The Oily Life. If you're new here, my name is Tanya, and on my channel I like to share all things natural living, essential oils, natural DIYs, as well as I own a natural bath and body business, and I share how I make some of my products for that and some behind the scenes looks at my business as well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my July recipe box from Simply Earth. If you're not familiar with Simply Earth, they are an essential oil company. They're very affordably priced. The essential oils are pure. They put access to all the testing results for the oils on their website. So you do have access to go in and look at the purity of the different essential oils you buy. They also do a monthly recipe box, which is what I'm sharing today. And in the recipe box, they send you some essential oils as well as some recipes and things so that you can actually learn how to use the oils you're getting. I think they're a lot of fun. Even though I'm an experienced maker of bath and body products, it's always nice to try new recipes, and you never know everything there is to know out there, so I find that I usually learn something through the recipe boxes as well. If you're interested in the recipe boxes, I'll have a link in the description box where you can grab one for yourself. So first we're going to talk about the oils in this month's recipe box. You usually receive 3 single oils and then a blend. And each box also has a theme, and this month's theme is spa and relaxation, and can't we all use a little bit of relaxation in our life? So a really great box. This one will be available through the end of July, but I've never got a box I haven't enjoyed. So even if you don't get the July one, I still highly suggest the boxes. So the first oil is Palmarosa. If you're not familiar with this essential oil, it has like a sharp floral kind of scent. It's amazing for skincare. So it helps promote skin rejuvenation, as well as it diminishes the look and appearance of breakouts. So great essential oil to have on hand if you're someone who likes to DIY your own skincare. And then, as I said, the notes on it are it's a floral fragrance, but it's not like an overpowering floral. So a lot lighter than something like an ylang-ylang, but still a really nice floral. Tangerine also came in this month's box. Tangerine is like a much sweeter orange, even sweeter than like the sweet orange essential oil. It's just got a little bit more of a lighter note, not as acidic. I really like tangerine. You could interchange it with orange, but it does have its own unique scent. And it is great for kind of relaxation or uplifting your mood, anything like that. And it's just a great one to diffuse as well. And then next is eucalyptus. I think eucalyptus goes like hand in hand with spa and relaxation. Whenever you think of like a spa-like feel, I think eucalyptus comes to mind. It also has a lot of great respiratory benefits, but it really is a very relaxing, soothing essential oil. I diffuse it. I put it in a lot of bath and body products, hair products, soaps, things like that. Eucalyptus is probably one of my most used essential oils. And then the blend this month is Downtime. Now this one has just been reformulated by Simply Earth. It's a really popular blend, but they did go in and tweak it some. And the name says it all. Downtime. It's a relaxation oil. It has things like frankincense in it, hoe wood, lavender, bergamot, marjoram, and all of those essential oils are just great for grounding and relaxation. It has a little bit of like an earthy scent, not like earthy like patchouli, but just a little bit of an earthy scent from the different tree oils in it, like the frankincense and the hoe wood. But then the bergamot and lavender give it a little bit of a sweeter note. So you got those earthy undertones with just a hint of sweetness. And this is my first time getting this essential oil. I've made a few things with it from the recipe box, plus I've diffused it some, and I've really been enjoying it. Right now, for this month, it was only available in the recipe box, but they are looking to reintroduce it to being able to individually purchase it. So definitely be on the lookout for this one. I think it's going to become one of my favorites. And then you always get some ingredients to help make the different recipes that they send you each month. And this month, you get some rose petals. Rose petals go also with that spa and relaxation theme. They just add a really pretty element to all of your DIYs. And then there's some bath salts. And then this is called NatureSorb Bath Powder. And all this is it's basically a modified tapioca starch. And you put it in things like your bath salts and it keeps them from clumping together. The starch kind of coats them and just keeps them broke apart. So this is a great one. You know, not a necessary ingredient to have if you want to make bath salts, but it does kind of keep them looking their best longer is how I would describe it. You also always get some labels in your recipe box. This is great so you can remember when you made something and exactly what you made. I know I make stuff sometimes, and if I forget to label it, then I promptly forget what I made. So having the labels already ready for you is really helpful. And then the recipes this month all fall into that kind of spa and relaxation, self-care kind of theme. There is a Happy Rose Bath Powder, Summer Breeze bath salts. There's always a roller blend, so this is a spa day roller blend. Inhale, exhale bath salts. A Fresh Cut Flowers diffuser blend. This is a really nice blend. I've already diffused this one a couple times. And it's perfect for summer. When I think of summer, I think of fresh cut flowers, so this has been a really good blend. And then the last recipe is for a rose sugar scrub, which you can see me making here. It was the short I released this Tuesday, but I actually was out of sugar, so I made it as a salt scrub. So just know you can make substitutions like that. This recipe works equally as well with salt. So if you prefer salt for a little more exfoliation, or you know, you're like me and didn't have all your ingredients on hand, salt works just as well as sugar. So that is everything that was in this month's box. I hope you enjoyed seeing it and hearing some about the oils and different things that come in the recipe box. Like I said, it's a really great concept and kind of gets you out of your comfort zone and just teaches you how you can use your oils. So with these recipe cards, you can go in and substitute out. So if you find out that you don't really like the scent of one oil, you can try these same recipes with a different oil. So you're kind of just learning the base through the recipes, and then you can customize it however you want. That's one of the great things about essential oils and making your own DIY projects is, you know, if you don't like a certain ingredient, you can just change it out and modify it and make it fit your own needs. So get out there, use your oils, have some fun with them. Take care, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.